Good day student. In this session we will see the practical number 15 pointers, and to complete this practical we need a single program development, that is develop a program to print values of variables and their addresses. Let us move on to the next item. The relevant POs for these practicals are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, ethics, individual and teamwork, communication and lifelong learning. The relevant COs are develop flowchart and algorithm to solve problem logically, and develop C program using pointers. The next is practical outcome. Write, compile, execute simple C program using Turbo C and GCC compiler. Write programs using pointers. So to complete this practical we need minimum theoretical knowledge, that is the concept of control structures, understanding of variable storage and type, declaration of pointers and assigning values to pointer variable. So let us start with our program to develop print values and print values of variable and their address. So without wasting time we will see the program. Here I have written one program including conio.h and stdio.h header files. After that, in void main I have declared three variables of three different data types, that is integer a, and assigned value 10 to that variable. Now float b is equal to 16.8 and character c is equal to a. Means these all are the variables of data type integer, float and character, and already assigned value at the time of declaration. Now see, these are the three important statements: integer star iptr, float star fptr, and character star cptr. So now these are the pointer variable. So first is star iptr. It is an integer pointer, means this iptr is going to store address of an integer type of variables. Means in this program it will store the address of this variable a. Now fptr is the pointer which store the address of float variable, and same cptr is the character type pointer which will store the address of character variable, that is c. So after that we have assigned the address of that variables to the pointers respectively. So address of a is stored into the integer ptr, that is iptr. Address of b is stored into the float fptr, and address of c is stored into the c character ptr. Now by using the printf, here we are going to print the value of variable and address of that variable. So see here the first statement, value of variable a equal to %d, because the variable a has the integer data type. Here we are using the %d, and address of variable a equal to %u. U is a unsigned integer. It is used for the unsigned integer because the address of variable is in the form of unsigned integer. So for this %d we have written variable a, and for %u here we have written pointer variable iptr. Same for the variable b. B is the float data. B has the float data type. So here we have written %f format specifier, and in again address format we have written the %u. Why it is same for the integer, float and character also? Because this is not the data type of value, it is the data type of address. For the all three variables, to display the address of all three variables we need the data type, that is the %u. Just change is here we have written the value of variable b equal to %f. So here we have written the variable fptr. F is now float ptr, and this is the c ptr, that is a pointer for the character. Now we will compile this program, and after that we will run this. Okay, so 0 errors and warnings are here. Now execute this program. So see here the output, value of variable a is equal to 10 and the address of variable a is 65524. Next, the value of variable b is 16.79999 and the address of variable b is 65520. And the last one, the value of variable c is a and the address of variable is 655 6919. So see here, you can clearly see that the address of integer variable is a 65524, and it is decreased by 4 bytes in the next variable of address of variable b, 65520. Why? Because this variable required 4 bytes to store the float value, and the character required a single byte to store the value. So here the address of the character variable is 65519, which is just less than 1 than the address of variable b, that is the 65520. So this is our program for the experiment number 15. Thank you.